We're here with Graham Rupple.
Graham Rupple with
Rupple.
Yep.
So it's like two O's?
Yeah, basically.
And one P?
Yeah.
Okay, just mess with me, I'm sorry. Okay, Graham?
Yeah.
We're with?
Earthquake.
Earthquake, LNG, all right.
Yeah, Earthquake Lawn and
So
Garden.
what do we have here, young man?
Right here is our Earthquake Pioneer dual direction tiller. So what that means is you can spin this thing in CRT mode or SRT mode. And
Yes, CRT, SRT?
CRT, SRT, so that's counter rotating versus the wheels, and standard rotating, which means
so you can drive with the wheels and then turn the tines rearward.
You can do, yes, that'd be the counter. So the wheels are in drive, and then the standard, they're both going forward.
So it's
really nice,
driving you and smoothly and all that.
It makes a really nice flat seat
Right,
bed.
right. Okay.
The secret behind this whole entire rear tine tiller is the transmission. It's incredibly balanced, so it's easy to operate.
And it's covered with a nice little cover to keep it clean.
It's all right here in this baby right here.
Oh, okay.
So it's got
it is.
Yep. You can shift very easy into your drive mode. Notice the wheels are airless, so they will
go ahead and shift it for us, if you would.
Shift it from this mode to this mode. You got to kind of rock it a little bit as you shift.
Well, yeah, because it hadn't been moving.
Yep. So.
Okay. All right. So, and if you're operating this, guys, just for your edification as viewing, if this machine's moving, then this is going to move a lot smoother as well.
Correct.
Okay. I'm sorry.
And then right here you've got airless wheels, so they will never go flat.
So have never flat tires.
You can't go flat with them. Nope.
And what motors are you using here?
This is our 99cc Viper engine.
Okay.
And the secret behind that is that with the transmission, it's able to do all the work you need it to do with just basically 99 cc's.
Okay.
Tines on this machine.
So you're talking about operational hours with that? Was that probably a half-gallon fuel tank right at?
Somewhere around there. Yep.
So you work that thing all day.
Yep. The tines on this thing are also part of the success. They're very sharp tines that can cut the ground versus bludgeoning the ground. As you see bigger tines, others have just larger tines. So, and then with your controls here, you've got it on both sides. So if you wanted to walk off to the side and not step in your nice flat seed bed, and then follow that up with instant reverse. So rather than having to get out and shift, you just pull back on this lever as you're tilling.
So the transmission will take that easily?
It'll take it up. So when you're in your garden, you come up to a fence, you don't have to stop, go around, shift it into reverse, pull it back. It's instant reverse. You're coming up to it, reverse right there. So.
Now would this would be the Magnum line. This is top of your line.
This is the top of the line, yep.
Okay, but you also have entry versions and homeowner versions, residential.
You have.
And you have various sizes, and it looks like you have spreaders.
Those are chipper shredders over there.
Chipper shredders, okay.
We've got edgers, we've got.
And this is your entry line?
This is our line of cultivators. So you've got your 4-stroke, and all the rest of these are 2-stroke engines.
Okay, now your MC40 is a 4-stroke F model, and you have the MC43.
43, and the 33. And then a version without wheels.
Okay.
Yep.
Well, yeah, nearly everybody needs training wheels. I mean, you've got to, you know.
Yeah.
So over here you have the string trimmer.
It's got
the EXI 725.
The Briggs & Stratton engine on there.
And it's got a 725cc engine.
Yeah, no, I don't. It's 163cc.
I'm just messing with you.
That's good.
All right. Well, I gotta keep you on toes so you'll prick these.
Yep.
And over here we have an
79cc edger. So the great part about this thing is once you start it up, it's clutched. So that means that it's not spinning. And you pull your throttle here, and it'll start to engage your blade.
So it engages it, so it has an idler here on it, so it'll go ahead and engage your blade. So it's not always operational.
It's not always operational, which is safe.
Yes.
So then you can engage and go down in your cut. And then you
now do that again while I get over here and try to get the whole thing in. All right.
Engaging how far you want your cut to go. And then
That's pretty nice.
Have the ability to
rotate
your head.
That's pretty nice.
Yeah.
That's well thought out. Over here we have chipper shredders.
We got chipper shredders, yep.
And we have, is this the smaller one?
This is the smaller 208cc engine.
208cc.
You put your brush on this side. This is where you do the shredding. The chipping is done here.
Now does this pull in?
Yep. So right here you've got your pull that guy out, and then you can get down in there.
Right, and that's the safety I like.
Yep. And then also when you close this, it creates a lot more suction.
So you can do limbs here as well.
Limbs through the chute. Yep.
Or larger material, I guess.
Yep.
All right.
And then it just comes shooting out of this right here.
So it also has a safety there.
Yep.
Okay, and basically this is the 33, which is a little larger model.
A little bit larger model, and then the bag attachment does come on both.
Okay. And this bagger is included.
It is included on both models.
Now, if someone's interested in these models on this 32 and 33, K33, what would these retail at?
They are around $7.99 and $8.99.
Okay. And let's say the big dog over there.
Big tiller's right around $9.99.
$9.99?
Yep.
Okay. And
most of the cultivators will run anywhere from $229 to about $299. They're kind of all.
And that's a retail price. Okay.
Yep.
All right, and this edger, really nice edger here.
You're right around $369.
And I noticed they have a 5-year warranty on that thing.
We do carry a 5-year warranty on all of our products.
And what does that cover on the warranty?
Basically all of your mechanical parts that aren't wear and tear parts.
That are not.
Not the belts, not the blades.
Right.
The rest of it basically is.
Those are consumables. Right. Consumables are on the operator. It should be.
Yep.
Okay.
So.
And this little this is an M605 string trimmer, which this system has really been on the market for many years.
Yep.
And it's got a plastic wheel and it's a non-pneumatic tire, so it's
the thing that I like best about these wheels is that they're wide.
It's wider than most. It's wider than mine.
Floats. Yep.
Yeah.
Again, you have your on-off, so when you turn this baby on and you pull it, it'll be running. The head's not engaged.
Right.
And so with ours, you pull this, and the head will engage.
Right.
And it doesn't shut off. Most other ones will shut the engine off if you have to let go of the bail.
Right. And you have something that's interesting here is a string cutter in case you put your strings on a little too long.
Too long, it'll take that down for you.
Yeah, okay. Absolutely. I like it. And is there anything else that you have, product lines that you can just run us through real quickly?
Yeah, we've got tilling products over here. That,
all right, I'll follow you.
In 1960.
1960.
Earthquake earth drills, and we started with these. And so what we have here is kind of our one-man 43cc.
E43, E43cc.
We step up to a 52cc. Both of these models are two-stroke.
Okay.
This is the dually, which is...
And this is the 43, and this model is...
52.
It's called a 52,
this
52cc.
And the reason
it's called a dually, okay.
The reason why this is such a popular item is
because it's a dual operation, dual operator.
You can operate it with one hand. You can operate it with two, facing this way.
Yeah.
It also has this handlebars kind of protect as a cage on the engine. And then all of these augers, they use the same size.
And they all have replaceable lead bits on them?
Yes, they have replaceable blades
edgers
and fishtail points.
Okay. So all the points are, as they wear, they're consumables.
Yes.
So we have replaceable tips on them.
Yep.
And this is the 9800 series. This is for those that really seriously wants to put a hole in the ground.
Yeah, and these are for the big augers. A lot of your landscapers will take.
And they've got the little 160cc Honda engine.
Honda engine. This is a 4-cycle, so no mixing of gas in this one.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
And over here, again, these are the residential
earthquake
landscaping
front tine tillers. So the thing that's nice about this Versa is that this cultivator, it's a front tine tiller, but you can also remove the outer tine shields and the outer tines, and it becomes a cultivator. So we call it more like a 2-in-1 type tiller. So very popular model there.
And now I see hand wheel or thumb wheels down here, so I assume that that's.
So we have that off, and that
makes things a little quicker.
Yep. That's how you just rotate this guy back. And you pop this off.
Okay, I see what you're doing.
I'm gonna rotate it first. So.
All right, I like that. And over here, this is the
Badger front tine.
The Badger.
Yep.
Front tine.
Be 160
again, non-pneumatic wheels.
Non-pneumatic
160cc Viper engine.
Yep. And
variable wheel settings.
They swing out. I've got the drag stake kind of in the way, but this swings down, and then you get your tines engaged in the ground, and you're very controlled tilling. So
yeah, I like it. And now this is another design that's been around from a couple other brands.
Yep.
And you've had this for years, I believe.
Oh yeah.
And there's some people that really want to use this old girl right here.
Yeah, this is your Victory rear tine tiller from Earthquake. Retails at about your $749, a little bit less of an expense there compared to the high-end Pioneer.
Right.
It does also have an instant reverse feature that'll back you right up, but this is counter-rotating, so the wheels will go opposite of what
they work you a little harder than some of your line.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, I've had one of those things for years, and it's one of those things you love to hate.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
But it will get the job.
It will get the job done.
It will break new ground.
It'll break new ground, and it'll get your garden in. So.
Yeah, and it'll put a little muscle in your back and your hands.
Yeah,
so we have one more item over here.
Yep.
And this is the neat little tool that nearly everyone has. It has a fireplace.
What we have here is an electric log splitter. We have two models. This one has a stand. You plug it in any standard outlet, and it's a 5-ton log splitter. Just bust up your logs. Really great for if you're inside of your basement or inside of your garage where you don't want to run a gasoline-powered engine to just kind of.
So it's electric motor.
Electric motor, yep.
How much wattage and amperage does a little motor pull? Probably less than 10 amps.
It's not much at all.
Yeah. Okay. So you can use it in an older home.
Yes. Yep.
Like up north where they have basements and such, as you mentioned. Okay.
Yeah. We are from up north, so.
All right.
Two-handed operation for safety. You start the motor, and then you have a lever back here, and this arm spins, or it goes this way, pushing it into the wedge, and then opening up your logs.
Well, I think we probably pretty much, and here's the logo. That's a really neat logo.
Here's the Quake logo, yeah.
Yeah, I like that. Well, Graham, I appreciate you very kindly for walking us through, and hopefully people will be buying a little more merchandise from you. And
we love it.
And we appreciate you giving the walkthrough and the technicals. Thank you very kindly, sir.
Thank you.